Title: The Adventures of Lily and Max, The Enchanted Forest. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled at the edge of a deep, dark forest, lived two best friends named Lily and Max. They were known throughout the village for their curiosity and their insatiable appetite for adventure. One sunny morning, as they sat by the riverbank, Lily said, "Max, I've heard stories about the Enchanted Forest. They say it's filled with magical creatures, hidden treasures, and secrets beyond imagination. What if we explore it today?" Max's eyes sparkled with excitement. "That sounds amazing, Lily. But you know, the Enchanted Forest can be quite tricky. They say it can change its paths, so it's easy to get lost." Lily smiled, holding a small, worn book. "Don't worry, Max. I found this old map in my grandmother's attic. It's said to guide those with pure hearts through the forest. I believe we'll be just fine." With the map in hand and a sense of adventure in their hearts, Lily and Max set off towards the Enchanted Forest. The closer they got, the more magical the world became. Flowers seemed to sing, and animals whispered secrets. As they ventured deeper, they encountered a talking rabbit named Rosie. "Greetings, brave travelers," Rosie said, bowing politely. "I can guide you through the forest if you promise to help me find my missing glasses." Lily and Max agreed, and together with Rosie, they followed the map's intricate twists and turns. They discovered hidden waterfalls, sparkling meadows, and even a grove of fireflies that lit up the night sky. But then, they encountered a tricky riddle at a fork in the path. To pass through, answer this riddle true: what is always hungry, but never eats, and always thirsty, but never drinks? Lily thought for a moment, then exclaimed, "It's fire. Fire is always hungry for wood and always thirsty for air." The path before them shimmered and allowed them to pass. As they continued, they stumbled upon a mischievous pixie named Pip, who laughed, "You're getting closer to the heart of the Enchanted Forest, but first, you must help me collect these sparkling crystals for my garden." Lily, Max, and Rosie spent hours collecting the precious crystals, and in return, Pip granted them safe passage through a dark, eerie swamp. As they moved forward, they found themselves in a part of the forest filled with ancient, towering trees. Suddenly, a wise old owl named Ollie landed on a branch above them. "You have journeyed far," Ollie said, "and now, you must make a choice. One path leads to the Fountain of Wisdom, where you'll gain knowledge beyond your wildest dreams. The other leads to the Enchanted Pond, which holds the power to fulfill your deepest wishes." Lily, Max, and Rosie thought long and hard. Max said, "I wish for wisdom to make good choices in the future." Lily added, "I wish for the power to make the world a better place." Rosie concluded, "I wish for glasses that will help me see clearly." With their wishes made, they chose the path to the Enchanted Pond, where their wishes came true. Rosie found glasses that helped her see the beauty around her more clearly than ever before. Max gained wisdom, and Lily discovered a newfound power to spread kindness and joy. As they left the Enchanted Forest, they realized that the greatest treasures were not the ones they found along the way, but the friendships they had forged and the lessons they had learned. They returned to their village, promising to share their newfound wisdom and to always treasure their adventures together. And so, Lily, Max, and Rosie continued to explore, learn, and grow, sharing their stories and spreading magic wherever they went, for they knew that the true enchantment of life was found in the journey itself.